Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Script. Do you know how to create a file from user inputted name and how to write anything there? If not, don't be worried about that. Today I am going to make a video on how to create any kind of file and how to write on that file using Python programming language. So without wasting a moment, let's start the program.
Suppose I want to create a text file named node.txt. Watch this programming part peacefully to get deep knowledge and to make relation with Python programming language. See the code at a glance to get much more idea about this. After running the code, we can see that there is created a text file on the device by Python. Select the file and open with Google Chrome browser. In order to see the file content, you can open the file on Notepad also. The program finished successfully. Thanks for watching. If you find any difficulty in running the code, you can chat with me, or you can say your any kinds of question in the comment box. Or if you have any question, you can ask me without any hesitation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The end. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please stay with CodeScript. Thanks again, bye.